Hello everyone, my name is JWinder and this is my program completion commitment timeline. We're going to dive right in here to my education timeline. I grew up in Troy, Kansas, and I graduated from Troy High School in 2002. From Troy High, I moved on to Highland Community College just down the road, and I graduated from Highland in 2004. After playing football for 2 years and getting my associate's degree, I decided I wanted to continue playing football, and I transferred to Avila University in Kansas City, Missouri. While attending Avila, I decided that I wanted to major in physical education, and Avila did not have physical education as an option in the education department. So after that semester at Avila, I decided to transfer back to Missouri Western State University in St. Joseph, Missouri. After transferring back to Missouri Western, I quickly got into the physical education department and I graduated in 2007 from Missouri Western. Fast forward to 2021 and I began my master's degree at Fort Hays State University. Now we're going to take a look at my teaching career timeline. After graduating from Missouri Western State University in 2007, I took a one semester at-risk position in the St. Joseph School District where I did my student teaching because I was a December graduate from Missouri Western. So I did the one semester at-risk position waiting on the next school year to begin. And I got hired at Wathena Elementary in Wathena, Kansas, where I began teaching K through 6 physical education, and I coached junior high basketball and high school football. In 2011, Wathena and Elwood, a neighboring district, consolidated, creating Riverside USD 114. I continued teaching there and I taught junior high PE and continued coaching junior high basketball and high school football. That very next year, the elementary PE teacher and myself both wanted to switch. I wanted to continue teaching elementary PE and he wanted to switch back to junior high PE, so our administration was very kind to let us switch places. In 2015, I made the decision to get out of high school football and I joined the junior high football staff. I continued coaching junior high basketball and then I quickly also picked up junior high track. Presently, I am teaching K through 5 physical education and coaching junior high football and junior high track. I gave up junior high basketball a few years ago. And I am also set to graduate from Fort Hays State University. Now we're going to take a look at my Fort Hays timeline. In 2021, I took EDL 852 and AEP 803 in the spring. In the summer, I took EDL 854 and AEP 855. And then that fall, I took EDL 851. In 2022, that spring, I took EDL 853 and 856. In the summer, I took EDL 850 and AEP 858. And then that fall, I took AEP 880 and 859. In 2023, I'll be taking my AEP 879 practicum. And then I also plan on graduating and completing my portfolio this semester as well. I have no plans to become an administrator right away. I enjoy the classroom. I enjoy coaching. I would like to continue in that role for several more years. Maybe later on in my career, I will make the decision to move into building leadership. And I believe retirement should be within the next 16 years. So that is where I'm at currently. Thank you for listening. Have a great day.